Why don't molecules take exams? Because when you ask them a question, they say, it doesn't matter. Good day, my dear viewers. I'm Kuya Ems and welcome to Chalk at Lapis. This is episode 1 of our 20-part Agham synthesis series on chemistry. And today, we're starting with the basics. What is matter? So what is matter? Simple answer, almost everything. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. So your pen, your chair, your water bottle, and that leftover pizza from the fridge from last week? Yup, all matter. But not everything you see is matter. Just because you see or feel something doesn't mean it's matter. Examples? Light. You can see it, but it has no mass, so it's not matter. Heat. You can feel it, but you can't hold it. It's not matter either. Sound. You can hear it, but you can't weigh it. Not matter.
I shine bright.
Cool, but you still don't matter. Meanwhile, there are things you cannot see, but they are matter. Like air. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not real. Air has mass, and it takes up space. So it's matter. All matter is made up of tiny building blocks called particles. The smallest ones? Called atoms. Atoms are so small, you can't see them, but they build up everything. Think Lego. Atoms are like Lego bricks. They stick together to form molecules. H2O is water. O2 is oxygen that we breathe. And this molecule is what makes up sugar. Whether it's your phone or your lunch, it's made of atoms and molecules. Even if a thing looks solid and still, its particles are always moving. When it's hot, the particles are moving faster. When it's cold, the particles move slower. It's like students in class. When it's hot, everyone's restless. When it's cold, everyone moves very slow. So let's wrap it up. Matter has mass and volume. Energy, like light, heat, and sound, has neither. Matter makes up solids, liquids, and gases, and even more exotic forms like plasma and Bose-Einstein condensates. More on that on later episodes. So remember, if it takes up space and has mass, it always matters. If you had fun or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on our fun new episodes. We've got more adventures coming your way. History, science, and math, all with a twist of nerdy fun. I'm Kuya Ems, and I'll see you in the next one.